Hi, my name's Tom. I have an Apple Watch and I've been using this rubber band here for about 6 years and it's really kind of not impressive. It's just a cheapy band. So TISIMO sent me this new high-end smartwatch band to go ahead and give it a shot and an honest review, and that's exactly what I'm going to do. So here's the box itself. Let's take a look at what's inside. Here we go. This is pretty clever. This is the actual cover for the watch itself. It is a soft rubber. That makes it much more comfortable on the wrist. You do get some actual instructions here on how to adjust it and how to set everything up. And you get the watch band itself. It is a beautiful, heavy metal watch band. I love the heft of it, and it looks really great. It's very smooth, silky. Oh, that's beautiful. And you also get a little tool here for actually doing the installation on the watch. So here's my existing watch. I'm going to press the button and pop it out. And this is for the 42, 44, and 45 watches. And what you can do is you can take your Apple Watch, you can turn it over, and you can look in the corner. And there in the corner, mine actually says 44, so this will fit. The rubber cover just fits over the watch to protect the whole thing. And I'm going to do it kind of sideways here. I'm going to put the knob through and just fit it all the way around. You would never guess that that is soft and rubbery. That is really pretty cool. Okay, it looks like real metal there. Now the watch band itself just slides right in. There's one snap there. And there's one snap here. There we go. Okay, once the watch band is on, I'm going to test the sizing. I think it'll actually be pretty good for me. I'm going to close this up on here. Click it there. And there we go, and it works well. I can see everything. The watch band itself may be a little bit loose. I may go ahead and adjust it, but it looks really, really nice. And there we go. No more crappy watch band. You can see this looks much nicer. It is much more sophisticated. It's actually very comfortable. I haven't worn one of these bands in a while, and I'm impressed by the comfort. It's really great. I highly recommend this.